Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Sally. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Ketamine. I will share all the detail about this meme project which is about cat. You can be able to buy it. I will share all that detail, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so that you can get a notification of my new videos in the future. You can see my videos. I basically share those projects from where you can get 100 extra 1000x potential. You will get huge potential from that. You can see all that from me. So without wasting your time, I will go for the Ketamine cat here. In this video, I will share with you about their tokenomics, their memes, and also about their deck screen. So you can join the revolution of cats and Ketamine. You can see here is the option for the buy now and join us. I will share with you about the website, but after that I will share it with you about that how you can buy dollar cat here. So about dollar cat, you can see cat was the first unleashed by a dev who pulled a classic rug and a run roof gone with the cash, but the community is smitten with the glorious meme swooped in like cat crazed heroes. So you can see it here. Here they have the cat, which was the first dev who pulled a classic rug and run roof. So you can see it here. Now they have a mission to make cat great and again, because they need they when they have a meme. So cat and cat, you can see all the details. You can join them. I share about the cat. So you can see there is a cute logo about the cat which is given here, which is taking an injection in its hand. So you can see that the features tokenomics are given, no taxes, zero buy and sell taxes. If you go and buy and sell that tokens and that coins, you get 0% tax here, which is zero buy and sell. They have immutable, which is SAFU. They have CTO, which is community took over. Liquidity, which is lock up. You can buy it now. So the meme, a dollar cat meme, which is given here, you can see the different meme is given, their different logos and pictures are given here. You can see that. About FAQ, what is cat? Cat is a cat community driven meme coin launched on Solana blockchain. They combine the fun of memes with the real utility, selling cat and cats. How to buy a dollar cat? So first of all, you have to download the phantom wallet using Sol. Simply connect that wallet, set the slippage and swap Sol for dollar cat. So always verify the contract address before doing trading. And what are the tokenomics? I share that tokenomics, the total supply. You can see how you can join the cat community. You can join cat community on Telegram, Twitter, and they host daily meme contest, MAs, and cat community even. They have amazing reward here. You can still have a question, you can contact them and ask from them. So now I will go further and share with you about the deck screener here. So you can see with the deck screener, which is showing that the price, it has this liquidity which is 73k, which is locked, and they have FTV, which is 443k. They have market cap, which is 443k. You can see their price is at that time, but it will increase. You can see that at that time it's low, but in the future it will go up again. So must go and be a part of that. You can also join them on the Telegram, and you can see it here. They have the Telegram group which have here 2177 members. You can also be a part of that group so that you can get daily news about that. You can even join them on Twitter. You can see it here. You can join them on Twitter. You can follow them. Get catty with us. You can see their details is given. They have sharing all the higher and higher. They have all that details. This is a very good project. I share that details with you, but do your own research before going and investing in it too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.